recording? Ah, what's up, guys? Welcome back to me. It's Lemuel, and welcome back, Sweatwater family. It's Lemuel. Oh, I just fell. All right, it worked that time. Hello, y'all. I am it's Lemuel, you know, call me Lem. Heath, just so you know, I hate you, but I love you at the same time. Thanks for no happy birthday wishes from either you or Chris. I hope y'all watch this video and find that. Yeah, how's that sit on your conscience? Anyway, I'm at Fireman's Park. I'm fishing the Salt Creek, and I'm walking through the park right now. It's very beautiful around here, very pretty. We're fishing down there where that, you know, just suddenly falls into an abyss. But this is what we're doing. We're fishing here. I'm using a chatterbait on an ugly stick. I'm also using a cat daddy on bottom. He is using an ugly stick with some weight and whatnot on it, but other than that, that's what's going on. We're fishing. Thank you for joining. Hold up, guys, I think I just found a whole throw net.
Is that a pipe? What? Or a bar? That might be a bar.
It's a gar.
How did it get off? How did it?
Someone caught it and left it on the bank. Got it. All right, give me some slack. Yeah, just give me slack.
Whoa!
Just.
That thing is here. That's cool. Look how he opens his mouth up.
He swallowed your hook. Oh!
You got pliers?
No, I don't.
I don't have mine either. They're up on the
Let's see.
Stick your thumb down in his mouth.
I got it.
What kind of fish is that?
That's a sand bass, I think.
A sandbag?
Sand bass.
He caught a sandbag. It's a sandbag. What does it do? Okay,
Well, it just eats little fish like that when I put on that line. And it swims up and down and rehooks it. Okay, show it to these kids.
that was a close one. There's a giant ant on your shoulder. Just get it.
I believe that's a hybrid, isn't it?
He ain't got no broken lines. Yeah, he does. He's got What do you want me to do?
I don't want it.
Neither do I. Do y'all want this?
What?
I don't want to clean him.
Yeah.
You want him?
No.
All right. Sir. Yeah. You ain't running off. I'm giving you air so you don't die. Alright, here we go, catching some bait. La 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 la. Oh boy! This is a 6-foot net from Bass Pro. It was all knotted up. I nearly fell. That could have been bad. Did I touch it? Y'all using big bait?
Yeah.
Careful, man.
Oh yeah.
Oh, that nearly hit you, man. I'm sorry. Oh, there, that's what we need. Yeah.